Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to install Android on an iPhone, and it really works. So stay tuned. So this is actually a virtual operating system known as Try Galaxy on your iPhone. So first of all, you need to go to Safari and then type trygalaxy.com and then click on the first link. Then accept all the cookies. Then tap download. Then it will redirect you to another website, and from there tap share, scroll down, and then add to home screen. You can see it over there, add to home screen. So tap on that, and then on the top right corner add. So Try Galaxy is added on your home screen, so tap on Try Galaxy app and then follow the on-screen instructions. Tap next and accept all the things. Next. Now there's a small tutorial how to navigate through the operating system. Got it? Then now you actually have a fully fledged Android device, so you can open any app you want, like settings, but you can only open some apps like settings, phones, messages, gallery, camera, and some other apps that advertises Samsung Galaxy phones. So this is what only you can expect from a cloud operating system, because it completely runs on internet. So if you are disconnected, it will show you some message like this if you try to open Try Galaxy when internet is disconnected. So aside from that, it really feels like a Android device on an iPhone. And lot other features, like if you open Galaxy themes in that app, you can actually change the phone's theme, as you can see. So this was all about today's video. If you like this video, please share with your friends and give it a like and subscribe to the channel, and catch you up in the next video. Bye.